What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a video. I start modifying the 5.0 again. My biggest mistake was not recording it the first time because this car was a hell of a restoration. Check out my Facebook link. I think it's in my description still. I have a mass performance page on Facebook. It's all the pictures and whatnot of this car throughout its journey. And it's time to start again. I'm not happy with this build. Drives okay. It's reliable. Handles much better than it used to. It's just not fast enough. And I was trying not to modify the 7-Up, but it's getting modified. Thinking about doing a fuel cell, maybe a little bit more weight reduction. Make my way forward. Do some stuff under the hood, some pretty cool stuff I want to do. So yeah, let's check it out. Let me get out of this car. I was just sitting in it trying to get some ideas. Obviously, like I was saying, this thing's super clean. I spent quite a few years restoring it. There we go. Haven't washed it in like a year or so. It's been pretty much sitting in the garage. I put like 300 to 500 miles, probably about 500 miles on it since. But my first project going into the winter is taking out all this factory carpeting and I don't even know what they call it, the panels in the trunk. It's all here. I'm gonna list it for sale if anyone's near Mass that wants to buy it. Great. Beautiful mat as well. Breaker bar, very nice. That's not for sale. Jeez, this is tight. I tucked the carpet in. What a dope. Spare tire cover is mint as well. So if you guys want, someone wants to shoot me an offer on all of it, the spare tire cover, mint carpet, and all these panels, fits pretty well. I mean, it's not the best, but it looks nice when you're standing up here. That's for sure. I'll be putting a fuel cell in there, like I said. Start prepping for some real power on the car, and that's why I just don't want any of this. I want to shed some weight, and yeah, let's take it out. All right, guys. I'll show you how quick this is. You only gotta save like maybe 5 pounds, but it's quick. You could sell most of this stuff if it's in good shape. A lot of guys are starting to look for all this original stuff, so yeah, I'll show you how quick it really is. I mean, that 5 to 7 pound number, that's with the spare tire cover, the carpet, all the trunk linings. I'm gonna leave the jack and the jack stand in here and the tire because I'm not stupid. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on in here. So mine had these push pins or clips, whatever you want to call them. Not sure, push pins. I don't know. I bought a set offline of a door trim removal kit. I think this was like $5, totally worth it. I used it on the doors and everything and just flawless. I think I might have broke this one though. Can't remember, that was a few years ago. I had this other one, I think I got it from like Walmart or, no, Advanced Auto Parts. I think it was like 10 bucks. This one works pretty good, but you know, it's metal. It seems to be, it's solid, but it scratches stuff, I noticed. I was not happy using that the first time around. And like I said, the plastic kit from Walmart works just fine. I'll show you guys right here. This first pin. A little bit of prying. I usually buy these anyways offline because you end up breaking the ears or the teeth on them, whatever you want to call it. On some of them when they're all dried out. But wow, there it is. Went a little hard on her, but came out and stayed somewhat intact. But they're cheap. They're on eBay. take out this lining real quick, and then we'll see what it looks like without the lining. All right, guys, like I said, it took me about 10 to 15 minutes at the most to take it all out. It's roughly 5 to 10 pounds. That's like the spare tire cover, the carpet, and all the lining. Could be 5 to 10, 5 to 7, I really don't know, but still, it's a weight savings. It's a good time to take your spare tire out and check for rust rot around that area, if you didn't do it when you bought the car like you should have. Around the fuel neck and all that great stuff. Just take a good look at her. It's also a good time, if you've never checked it out, look at your pump motor. Not that your motor's going to tell you much, but your fittings will. Your fittings could be leaking, and you know, convertibles can be a big headache. But yeah, like I said, easy peasy, 5 to 10 pounds. I don't think it's 10, but yeah, if someone wants to throw me an offer on all this, like I said, everything's pretty much mint. The mat's not that old. The lining's obviously original, but they're in great shape. Some minor cracking on the backside, but you won't see that. I'll throw in some new clips as well and whatnot. Try to take care of you guys, but till then, if you guys want to keep watching my videos, please like, subscribe, share, all that great stuff. Hopefully we'll be putting a fuel cell in her soon enough and doing some other pretty cool bolt-ons, and things will get a little bit more exciting. All right, guys, have a good night. Thanks.